Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix enable to download Roblox from Microsoft Store. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to open up CMD or command prompt. Just on search write CMD, right click on it, run as admin. And then here you need to write WS reset here. And then the Microsoft Store will reset, and then you just need to look for Roblox and then look if you can download it or not here. If you cannot download it, then you just need to go to a Windows update. So you just need to go to services and then click on one of the tasks here and press V, and then here you should find a Windows update right here. Right click on it, properties, make sure startup type is on automatic and also server status is running. If it's stopped, press start, apply, okay, and then restart your computer and then go back to Microsoft Store and look if Roblox is downloading or not. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.